This is the one and only Duckbill Spillway Dam in India. Hidden deep in Salilum, about 80 kilometers from Goa, right in the heart of Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. And this view doesn't exist forever, but it only exists for a short window during the monsoon season. But what am I doing right here? For the past 7 days, I have traveled across the scenic mountain passes of Maharashtra and reached the Malvan coast, my second last destination for the ride. After a good evening at the beach, today I am leaving to see the same spot, which is the one and only Duckbill Spillway Dam.
Yeah, this is the homestay that I have stayed in for the last night in Malvan. Very nice place. You have a secure parking. People are very nice. Room is also good. So definitely recommend it if you were to come to Malvan and if you want to stay. And this is the luggage setup. Not prettiest of the luggage setups, but does the job. Always close the gate, guys. Always close the gate.
Just when I was thinking everything was going fine,
And happy Arpora?
wait a second. If you notice, something strange is happening with the footage. It is too zoomed in.
Let's go.
Well, I accidentally changed the POV angle from ultra wide to normal and didn't even bother to check the footage even once throughout the journey. So don't be like me, keep checking your footage every now and then. So today's plan is to cover the last Ghat road of this series, which is the Amboli Ghat, and my favorite from all the Ghat roads that I've ridden till now. After reaching the top viewpoint, I took a quick break at the waterfalls located right close to the road. Couple of pictures later, I headed down and onwards to Anjuna, Goa. I stayed at this hotel located like 2 kilometers away from Anjuna beach. They have air-conditioned rooms with bunker beds along with lockers, and the best part of this place is the sit-out area to chill in the evening. I paid like 500 rupees per night, which included complimentary breakfast, and it was totally worth it. Definitely recommended. After a quick break, I headed towards the Royal Enfield Garage Cafe, a place that I wanted to visit since a very long time. After spending a good 1.5 hour at the cafe, I headed towards the DUCKBILL Spillway Dam. The dam looks much more beautiful in person than any video could capture, with the water turning into mist due to the height from which the water was falling. And all of a sudden it started to rain, and it made the experience even more memorable. Back in the evening at beach, couldn't do much because of the persistent rain.
Right. Yeah, yes, yeah. He is Nimish Bhai from Surat, Gujarat. He has been a good company for the past 2 days. I have been with him, so it was very nice meeting you, bhai. फिर कभी मिलेंगे. Audience को bye बोल देना. चलो, I'll record on the bike again. Right now the time is around 6 o'clock, and I'm heading to home, back home, Hyderabad. It's gonna take a good 14 hours for me to reach, and Nimish Bhai is heading back to home in Gujarat, Surat. चले भाई, चलते, चलो, बाय बाय. Bye. Bye.
It was a 750 kilometers ride back home from Goa, and somewhere in Karnataka, because of constant diversions and broken roads, I was getting irritated, and at one point I hit a deep pothole and my rear tire got punctured and the rim got slightly bent. Yeah, it was a very ugly situation, but thankfully I found a tire puncture shop nearby and got the tire fixed within like 1.5 hour and back on the road. And by night 11:30 I reached home safely. The past 7 days have been the best week of the year 2025, and throughout the journey I have ridden on some of the epic roads and seen beautiful sceneries and met some of the nicest people that I've ever met,
Very nice meeting you,
and had great food at the Malvan coast, and I can't wait to come back here to Western Ghats. Thank you for sticking around till here, and I hope you had a great time following through the journey, and I can't wait to show you my future journeys. Till then, it's GC signing off.